Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with Gustan Associates. If you've been denied an FHA loan or a conventional loan or even a jumbo loan, don't give up. There is a new product out there called non-QM loans. That non-QM loan gives you an array of different options that a regular traditional loan does not do. Let's start off with you have lates on your mortgage payment in the last 12 months. Fannie Mae and FHA they don't like that. Our non-QM lenders actually have a pricing matrix that asks how many times you've been late on your mortgage payment in the last 12 months, the last 24 months, and it'll price you accordingly. Now these rates could be much higher than the going rate for a traditional FHA or conventional, or a better non-QM loan that you don't have lates, you're just doing it because you want to do a bank statement program, which I'm going to get into next. But having lates on your credit report can disqualify you from a regular loan, but the non-QM will not disqualify you. You're going to have to pay a higher rate for 6 months to a year until you get your credit score up, until you qualify for an FHA or conventional. Yes, it's going to cost you a little bit more money per month, but it's a small price to pay if you know you're going to refinance out of it, and you're going to miss out on the growth of equity. Possibly will be greater than the cost of the loan. And number two, if you found the dream home that you absolutely love and you don't want to miss it, you can capture it. Now, if you're doing 10% down on these non-QM loans, there's no PMI, so it's not going to be so much worse than a traditional FHA loan, because the PMI is very expensive on the conventional and FHA loans. These non-QMs don't come with PMI, so it gives you a little bit of benefit there. So if you got mortgage lates, that's a deal breaker for most other lenders. We can do them here with non-QMs. The non-QMs will also make it available for people who are self-employed, but they use a lot of write-offs in their company for tax purposes, and they're really making good money, but just to avoid paying the IRS, they write a lot of stuff off and they don't qualify for a mortgage. Well, we have a bank statement program, so you can do 12 months bank statements, deposits on a personal account, and average it over the last 12 months with each month deposit is, and that will be your income. So that's another reason to use a non-QM with a 10% down. We also have pretty much a no-doc loan if you're an investor. You have a current primary residence and you're buying an investment home with 25% down. You have to show no income whatsoever. You just have to qualify the house based on the mortgage payment and what the rent is on that house. And the appraiser is going to determine the rent. If the rent covers the mortgage payment, you're great. If it's a little bit below, you're still okay. There's a threshold where you can't be too much upside down in the house payment versus the rent. That's the only way we qualify you. We have to prove that you're self-employed. You cannot be a W-2 employee and do this. It's for self-employed borrowers. Same with the bank statement program. So these non-QM bank statement and no income verification loans are for self-employed only, and we have to prove that. Now, the lates, the low credit scores, you get denied FHA conventionally because you got low credit score. These do not require you to be self-employed. They have full doc options also. So non-QMs is saving the day for a lot of our clients. I want to let you know that we love these loans. They go up to like $3 million, so we can do jumbo products with it too. So we've been denied a jumbo. This is a much more forgiving jumbo. Not as much reserves. Only 6 months reserves versus 18 months with a lot of jumbo lenders. Jumbo lenders want 660, 680 credit score. We'll go down to like 500 on these jumbos. Now you might have to put 20% down on a 500 score jumbo, but if you got a 620, you get away with 10% down on $1 million loan. So we got that product too for you. So if you had trouble with the jumbo loan, give us a call, because the non-QM is saving the day for people. Just want to let you know, on the investment properties, there's a 2-year prepay. On the owner occupied, there's no prepayment penalties. That's it for now on the non-QMs and qualifying with late mortgage payments or lates or low scores or can't show your income. We got great products for you. Give us a call here at Gustan Associates. We're here for you. Thank you very much. Please like this video, share it, and if you got any questions, leave it below. We'll get back to you. Thanks.